Okay, my student, you need to copy the date, July 2020, topic, Unit 4 and 5, performance, review the concept. Okay, if you need to stop the video, you stop the video and copy these sentences. Okay, and now we make the flashcard quiz. Remember? Okay, vamos a tenerlo como repaso. Ok, nos dicen, you eat candy. You need, ahí tienes que escribir should or shouldn't. Porque dicen no, es shouldn't. Usted no debería. You shouldn't eat candies. Ok, continue. I feel sick. Me siento enfermo. I don't remember. Nos dice, you shouldn't go to the school today. You shouldn't estar negando. You shouldn't, no deberías go to the school today. Continue. I have a fever. Vamos a ver qué consejo nos dan. You should go home and rest. Okay. Continue. You have, está la figura, tienes que decir que padece. Sore throat. Ok. Continue. Aquí en estas oraciones tienes que escribir si es some or any. Remember, it's interrogative. Look that. Any. Continue. There are packets of sugar, 1, 2, 3, porque el azúcar es incontable, pero porque lo podemos contar, sería contable, entonces utilizamos some. Ok, continue. When you are sick, then you, entonces cuando estás enfermo tienes que, y miramos qué consejo es el apropiado, should go to the doctor. Ok, continue. Ok, you have, entonces tenemos que saber qué es lo que tiene. Ahora les voy a dejar que ustedes contesten para ver si tienen los conceptos claros. You have, okay, a cat. We have got vegetable. Okay, continue. I don't want pasta. Negative. Okay, continue. We need apples. A ver, cinco las tres les ayudo, tres les dejo. You eat fruit and vegetable every day. Nos dicen que sí, que sería un consejo que sí lo hicieras. Entonces debería ser should. Ok, continue. I have a headache. Vamos a ver qué consejo nos dan. You should take an aspirin. Ok. I'm very tired. Estoy muy cansado. You should sleep a little. Ahora los dejo tres ustedes. Okay, continue. uncountables, okay, and interrogative. Continue with me. You watch TV all afternoon. Nos están diciendo que no, entonces no debes ver televisión toda la tarde. Okay. And now, what is the health problem? Look that. Continue. Continue. What is the health problem? Fever. Fever. Okay? Fever. You drink sodas. No, nos dicen que no deberíamos. Entonces es shouldn't. Finish, my student. Okay? This is the activity for today, the review. Okay? Bye. See you.